Good morning. I just wanted to let everyone know this is a very easy, simple way of copying a hard drive to another hard drive or cloning it. So basically this is the gadget. You can see I'll take the plug out. It's very light, it's tiny, and if you look in it, it's got 2 slots for SATA hard drives. What do I mean by SATA? I mean this sort of connector with those 2 connectors on the end. So basically, I'm going to copy a mechanical SATA drive. There's the SATA connections again. From number 1, which is this one, you can see there it says disk 1. So you slot your hard drive into there. So I'm going to slot my hard drive, the source drive where the data's coming from, or the drive that I'm copying. I'm going to slot it like that into here, push down, and that's seated now. Okay, so basically then what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my second drive. So this drive here is a 320 gig drive. So I'm going to put in a 1 terabyte drive to copy it to. Again, you can see there the SATA connectors, and we slot it in there, push down, and it's seated. Okay, so we've now got that, okay? So then we'll turn this gadget round, we'll plug it in, and we'll turn it on. So now it's on. You'll see there's a red light on the top and 2 blue lights. I'm going to hold down the clone button for 3 seconds. And then you can see the clone, it says clone on it. Now you can see it's now copying from this disk to that disk. It's as simple as that. So what you do is once all the lights go blue on here, that is it, it's done, and you've then got a copy or a clone of your existing hard drive from your laptop or your computer. You can put bigger 3.5-inch drives in here as well, because we've got this space here. This goes down, you can see here. And that's it, it's as simple as that. I'm going to include a link where you can buy this gadget, and please feel free to order it from that link. It doesn't cost you any more. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. That would be great. Thank you so much. So just remember, when this goes all blue here, the job is done. It could take half an hour, it could take an hour, it could take 2 hours, depending on the size of your drive. That's it. Thank you. Bye.